Brad Williams, XL Prime. Calculate the volume of a cone. Okay, we're going to use radius and height. 1/3 pi times radius squared times the height. We're going to get 6702. Here we have the radius, r. Look here at this image, r. And we have height. So we're going to take radius squared times this height to get this volume. Okay. Over here, the pi function and the exponent operator can be used to calculate the volume of a cone. Here's the formula, as I just noted. The formula used to calculate the volume of a cone is derived from the formula used to calculate the volume of a pyramid. The formula for the area of a circle is included as the base of a cone is circular. The Greek letter pi represents the relationship between the diameter and the circumference of a circle. In an Excel formula, P is represented by pi, which is 3.4159. When I said pi, that's going to be 3.1459. You can also use the power function. You see here, we noted the exponent as ℓ². You can use the power function. Down here, 1/3 pi power p52 removes that exponent. If caret doesn't bother you, then go ahead and just keep using the caret, or otherwise use this power function. Brad Williams, XL Prime.